Is your Acura TSX alarm going off randomly? The most common culprits are faulty door or hood switches, a weak key fob battery, or a failing Siren battery. Start by inspecting your door and hood switches for any signs of damage or corrosion. Clean them with electrical contact cleaner. Next, test your key fob by replacing the CR2032 battery and ensuring it's transmitting a signal within 30 to 50 feet. Signal interference from metal or electronics can also cause issues. Finally, check the Siren battery. If it's weak or dead, it can trigger false alarms. A multimeter can help you test the voltage of these components. Remember, most problems are located within these three elements. Once you've identified the problem area, start with replacing faulty door or hood switches. This is a straightforward DIY task with parts costing around $50. Inspect switches for corrosion or wear before replacement. For key fob issues, replace the battery with a new CR2032 type. In cold climates, add proper insulation to prevent signal interference. This resolves weak transmissions causing false alarms. Siren battery replacement might involve replacing the capacitor if parasitic drain from the BCM is the issue. This requires some technical expertise, but prevents system resets that mimic alarms. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for diagnostic trouble codes such as B1000 for BCM faults. This helps pinpoint the exact issue and is available as affordable DIY diagnostic tools. Always check wiring for shorts by inspecting harnesses for corrosion or damage. This is a common cause of false alarm signals and can often be resolved with simple cleaning or repair. If DIY solutions don't resolve the issue, a dealer visit may be necessary for BCM reprogramming using Honda's HDS software. This is essential for complex faults in the body control module. Remember to perform regular inspections and maintenance. Check batteries every 6 months, inspect switches and wiring routinely to prevent future alarm problems.